Hello, and welcome to this Stratavault scale model demonstration. In this segment, we'll explore how Stratavault supports urban infrastructure through two distinct applications: tree vault systems for healthy soil and tree growth, and stormwater tank systems for on-site detention or harvesting. Stratavault is a modular underground structural system. It forms a load-bearing matrix beneath the surface, allowing pavements and hardscape to be supported above. Depending on the project outcome, the internal volume can be configured in two different ways. Application 1. Stratavault Tree Vault. In its original use, Stratavault protects a large volume of uncompacted soil beneath pavements. This preserved soil volume enables root development, stormwater infiltration through the soil profile, and long-term urban canopy health. The structure supports the surface load, while the soil supports the biological outcome: healthier trees in tough urban conditions. Application 2. Stratavault Stormwater Tank. Stratavault can also be configured as a stormwater tank system by incorporating side panels to create a contained storage volume. In this application, the system functions as an on-site detention tank or stormwater harvesting tank, providing underground storage where space is limited while still supporting trafficable surfaces above. This is a separate market use case to the tree vault application, designed for projects primarily seeking water quantity control and storage outcomes. Let's now look at what's included in the Stratavault Scale Model Kit. Inside the box, you'll find an instruction sheet outlining the system matrix, component dimensions, and installation guidance. Both metric, millimeters, and imperial, inches, measurements are provided. We'll set this aside for reference. Next are the base plates. This is the 400 millimeter, 15.75 inches raised base plate, representing a deeper configuration. This is the 200 millimeter, 7.87 inches raised base plate for alternate depth requirements. And this is the flat footplate used for lower profile configurations. These are the Stratavault modules. The structural ribs provide strength while maintaining internal volume. When connected, these modules create the underground lattice that supports surface loads. 4 modules are included in this kit. These are the lateral bridge pieces. They connect modules horizontally, distributing loads across the system. 4 bridge pieces are included. These vertical connectors enable stacking of modules, allowing increased depth where required. The top grates represent the surface interface. They sit above the structural modules and simulate the pavement or hardscape layer. These are the Stratavault side panels. They attach to the perimeter of the module matrix to create a contained storage volume for stormwater tank configurations. This kit includes 2 panel heights: 800 millimeters, 31.50 inches, side panels for deeper tank configurations, 400 millimeters, 15.75 inches, side panels for shallower tank configurations. We will now assemble the Stratavault system. Place the flat footplate on the surface. Align the module with the connection points. Insert the bottom first, then apply downward pressure until it locks into place. Insert the vertical connectors into the top of the module. Ensure each connector is fully seated before proceeding. Position the second module on top. Align carefully. Insert bottom first, then press down until secure. This demonstrates how the system builds vertically to increase depth. Stratavault systems can also expand horizontally. Place an additional module beside the first footprint to demonstrate modular expansion. Insert the lateral bridge pieces at the base first. Slide them into position to connect the modules securely. At this stage, we're beginning with the 400 millimeter, 15.75 inches raised base plate, which represents a deeper installation profile. We then position the first Stratavault module above it, aligning with the connection points to begin forming the structural matrix. From here, the system builds upward and outward, depending on the required depth and footprint of the design. Side panel assembly, stormwater tank configuration. To configure Stratavault as a stormwater tank system, we now attach the side panels around the perimeter of the assembled module matrix. Step 1. Select the panel height. Choose the 400 mm, 15.75 inches side panels for a lower profile tank configuration, or the 800 mm, 31.50 inches side panels for a deeper storage configuration. Step 2. Attach the side panels. Align the side panel with the outside face of the modules along the perimeter. Position the panel so it seats flush against the module ribs and aligns with the connection points. Press the panel into place until it clips and locks securely. Repeat this process around all exposed sides to form a contained storage volume. Finally, position the top grate. Press gently until secure. The structural matrix is now complete. This completed scale model demonstrates how Stratavault supports surface loads in both primary applications. As a tree vault, it protects uncompacted soil volume beneath pavement to support healthy tree growth, root development, and stormwater movement through the soil profile. As a stormwater tank system, it uses side panels to create a contained underground storage volume for detaining or storing rainwater below pavement while still supporting the surface above. Together, these two configurations show the flexibility of Stratavault across both urban greening and water management outcomes.